In the regional market segment, each week we shall carry out a feature showcasing the best performing industries and business models in the different East African nations to promote integration and enable each of the business communities to borrow from each other the best practices, hence boost growth. So this week we take you to Tanzania, where we showcase an innovation dubbed Moto Poa.
As demand for energy soars on the back of a robust global economy, the cost of crude oil, which is a basic component that sustains most of the world's energy, remains high. This has led to increased production cost, forcing customers to dig deeper into their pockets for essential commodities, leading to increased inflation. It is on this background that the regional market segment takes us to Arusha, Tanzania, where a company has developed a clean, renewable alternative energy to kerosene and wood fuel, which is widely used in the East African rural and urban areas. Known as Moto Poa, a Swahili name that means clean energy, the innovation, comprising of a customized simple stove and refined viscous bioethanol fluid, was initiated in 2005. The Moto Poa bioethanol gel is made from molasses derived from sugarcane during the sugarcane extraction process. Molasses is derived as one of the byproducts. The molasses is used to develop technical alcohol, which is the chief ingredient of the bioethanol gel.
Moto Poa is a gel and a stove, a cooking stove and a cooking gel. A gel is made up of main ingredient is ethanol.
The stove has three functional parts, namely the burner grill, Moto Poa gel cup, flame regulator lid, and the main body. To use the stove, the gel is poured into the gel cup, then the top covered with a flame regulator lid, which has openings at the top. When lit, the biofuel burns, emitting blue luminous clean flame.
Moto Poa is environmental friendly because if you compare with charcoal, charcoal gives out a lot of smoke and it's not user friendly because it normally keeps dirty the environment, while Moto Poa does not give out smoke.
The fuel comprises of viscous yellow liquid that burns slowly with a high heat output, while the gel's viscosity minimizes the danger of accidental spillage and increases the burning time. The product has been standardized by the Tanzania Bureau of Standards.
If you boil 1 liter of water, if you compare with kerosene, Moto Poa boils 1 liter of water 9 minutes, while kerosene burns for 15 to 20 minutes, 1 liter. So it makes much more difference, and in terms of cheapness, Moto Poa is much cheaper than kerosene.
This product aims to provide alternative cooking energy to both rural and urban populations in East Africa who cannot afford kerosene, electricity and gas due to scarcity and the ever-increasing cost.
For price, kerosene is 2,200 shillings in Tanzanian, and Moto Poa per liter is 2,000 Tanzanian shillings. So you can see the difference of the cheapness and the burning period what we have.
The flame regulator increases and decreases the intensity of the flame, and when covered completely, the fire goes off automatically. The company's major challenge has been acquiring ethanol, which is the raw material, at a cheaper cost, but has managed to source it from South Africa, Kenya and later Moshi in Tanzania.
We are targeting to the East African community, that is Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda and Rwanda, whereby the product should reach there. So it becomes much more easier from Arusha to export it.
The initial cost of acquiring Jiko Power stove and fuel is 22,000 Tanzanian shillings, an equivalent of about 1,200 Kenyan shillings. The gel costs 2,000 Tanzanian shillings, an equivalent of about 106 Kenyan shillings per liter.
Sometimes there are a lot of problems of kerosene. It becomes shortage due to the worldwide problems. So we normally don't get kerosene very often here in Tanzania. So people now, they knew that what is Moto Poa, so people are now buying Moto Poa.
The gel is available in various packages ranging from 1 liter, 2 liters and 3, as well as 5-liter containers. The product is available in Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda, South Sudan and Somalia. The company has a workforce of 15 employees and sells more than 40,000 liters of biofuel per month, and is working to increase their production rate so as to gain access to more markets across the East African region.
So since the company started, we have seen annually growth of 20 to 25% every year until today, up to date.
If adopted, Moto Poa ethanol-based fuel gel will be an economical alternative source of energy for thousands of households, promoting clean, safe and healthy environments that can alleviate poverty, deforestation and environmental pollution beyond the East African region.
Well, that brings us to a close of this week's show. Let's continue with this conversation on our Facebook page and Twitter handle. We also welcome your comments, questions and suggestions on the email address businessfocus@standardmedia.co.ke or SMS number 8041. From myself and the entire KTN team, thank you for watching. I am Malaki Villa. Let's do it again next Thursday. Good night.